Hello, let me show you something real quick. Seafrogs housing here. It's my main camera actually. And what we have inside here is supposed to be a spring. Yeah, that latches here. It doesn't let that open. The spring doesn't work because it disappeared here from the rust. Where is it? Yeah. Try to take off those two screws, take everything apart, try to take off where you can find such a spring from a pen. So when you take it off, you end up with something like that, there, and that there. So it's supposed to be the spring. So I have a pen here, but it doesn't work. So I'm about to take the spring from here, and we disassemble the pen. We don't need it anymore. We take the spring, fairly easy. I'm gonna chop it wherever I want, and I have a new spring for my housing. So I want to make it softer for my hand, if I can say. So I take off, as you can tell. I have a little bit more space if I want to take out some more. If you can see here,